started carrying cameras around with me earlier today because I went to the supermarket to go get water and whatnot. Actually, the market was dead.
Yeah, I went. I didn't even come.
It was too early. People are just now starting to get panicky.
Well, there 2 o'clock, 1:30. I went and did all this stuff.
It's just now people are starting to get really like panicked, freaked out.
Well, the gasoline wasn't this bad, but that's not where we're going. Oh my God! Careful, this guy. Brett's got gas. There's a gas station up there too.
Yeah, I probably should have avoided all of this. I think I can go around this one there. Sorry.
You went this way, you can go out that way?
No. I think these people, since they're all in line, I'll be able to just scoop down this thing.
Hey, you'll never guess what? All the gasoline stations have lines 2 blocks long. This isn't bad.
Might be down the side street again, man.
Yeah, you're right. Too bad.
No, it doesn't look bad down there at all.
Okay, well they're still lined up. What the?
Yeah, it's fine. It's all just headlights.
I've never seen this ever here.
Really mistake.
Oh, he's in the car of that gasoline station.
Can't even go into Wawa to get any